In today's video, I will guide you through how you can add chapters to YouTube video. So if you would want chapters like this in your description or maybe in your video itself where you can see it right here, when you click here on view chapter, it would show up in here. So I'm going to show you on how you can do this. So you have two options. You can do this automatically or manually. So first is we're going to doing this automatic. So how you're going to do this is by clicking on your profile icon on the top right, and then from here go to YouTube Studio. Now in here you could do that for your existing content, or when you are uploading a new content, it's basically the same thing. It matters in the settings. So let's say that I would apply it for this video. So in here I want to click here on the edit icon or the pencil icon in here on that video, and from here I could go for the details, scroll down, click on show more, and then we would have the option here on automatic chapters. Make sure that this is checked so that it would now create automatic chapters without you having to put timestamps on it. So yeah, you could do it like this, and you could also apply this as a default if you would want to have automatic chapters for all of your videos. Click here on your settings, and then from here you would want to go upload defaults, advanced settings, and make sure this is checked, and click on save. So once you've done that, it will now be applied to all of your videos. Next is if you can't find the chapters that is on your video, although you have already checked this, there might be a couple of reasons for that. So automatic chapters do not appear if the video is less than 30 seconds long, or your channel or video is set as made for kids, or you have manually added timestamps in the description. This disables the automatic ones. Also, the content might not have enough visual or audio structure for YouTube to generate chapters, so you might have to consider those factors. So now, I'm going to show you on how you can manually add it. So how we can do this is that we're going to go into the description, and from here we could put the timestamps. So for example, I'm going to go for something like this. So you could also copy this format because this is the format for the timestamps in YouTube. So basically the timestamp in here and then the title that you'd want to be in it. So for example, I'm going to go for intro 1, and then for this one right here, I'm going to go intro 2 and click on save. And that's it. You now know how you can add chapters to your YouTube videos. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.